Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today is the video which many of you have been waiting for. That is an instant sambar premix. To make this premix and you can make sambar very easily at home. The ingredients we need are pigeon pea or tur dal, coriander seeds or dhania, roasted gram that is buna chana or chutney dal, dry coconut powder, mustard seeds, hing or asafoetida, methi seeds that is fenugreek, curry leaves, tamarind and dry red chilies. We have to roast all these ingredients one by one. So we are going to dry roast first the tur dal or the pigeon pea lentils. See, the dal is roasted well now. Do it over a low to medium flame. We should not burn the dal, but it should be well roasted. It is done. Now we'll take it out. Next, I am adding in the coriander seeds or dhania. Dry roast this also. Dry roast this also over a medium flame. Dhania is well roasted. Next, the roasted gram. This is already roasted, but just we have to heat it a little bit till it becomes slightly crisp. Roasted gram is done. Add the methi seeds. See, the methi seeds are also well roasted now. We can remove this. Next, we'll add in the dry red chilies. Roast the chilies also till they become nice and crisp. The chilies are roasted. Here I have a lemon size ball of tamarind. Just remove all the seeds and any extra fibers from it and roast it also well. The tamarind is well roasted. Next, I have some curry leaves which I washed. You can just take a handful of curry leaves. Dry roast them also till they are nice and crisp. There should be no moisture at all because we want to store this powder for a longer period. See, the curry leaves are nice and crisp now. We'll take them out onto a plate. These are mustard seeds. This also will dry roast. See, the mustard seeds are roasted and crackling well. Keep them also separately on a plate. Next, this is dry coconut powder or copra powder, desiccated coconut powder. This also on a very low flame. You continuously stir it till it is well roasted. You see it will change color and switch it off. Our dry coconut powder also roasted and ready. Now all our dry ingredients are roasted and ready. We'll allow it to come down to room temperature and then we'll blend it to a powder in our blender jar. Now we are ready to grind. First we'll grind the chilies to a powder and then add the other ingredients also and grind. When you grind, first grind the dry red chilies, then add the roasted tamarind. When that is blended well, add all the remaining ingredients and grind it. See, our sambar premix is nearly ready. Now we just have to add a few more things to it. This is the asafoetida. I am adding 1 teaspoon and also this is haldi powder 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Now we'll just run it for 30 seconds so that everything gets blended well. We have a lovely aroma from the sambar premix. It is now ready. I can take it out into the bowl. Now for the final touch, we'll add this roasted mustard and roasted curry leaves. These should not be ground. You just add it on top. and give everything a good mix together like this. So our lovely instant sambar premix is now ready. You can store it in any clean dry jar. Our sambar premix is done and ready. Now we'll see how to make a sambar using this instant premix powder in the shortest possible time. Sambar can be made with a variety of vegetables or with only a single vegetable or only with onions and tomatoes too. You can even use ash gourd, you can use pumpkin, you can use okra, you can use carrot, broad beans or even a mix of all vegetables. Entirely left to your choice and what is available at home. Today I am making a simple sambar with ingredients which are generally available at home. That is, I have taken 2 onions, 1 tomato. In addition, I have taken 1 capsicum and chop them all and get ready. Now take a spoon of oil in a pan. Add the sliced onions to it. I'm just adding a little bit of salt because we have already added salt to the premix. So only salt for the vegetables which we are adding. When the onions are stir fried, we'll add in the tomatoes and the capsicum also. Stir fry everything together just for a minute or so. See, when the vegetables are nearly done, I am adding 1 cup of water to this and allow it to come to a boil. Take 3 teaspoons of this instant sambar premix in a bowl, and to that we'll add a cup of water and mix it well. See, our vegetables and sambar is come to a boil. Now we'll add this premix. Mix it well and just allow it to come to a boil once again. Add another half cup of water to allow it to come to the right consistency. Let it come to a boil. See, our sambar is boiling very well now and it has also reached the perfect consistency. We can switch it on. Today I'd like to serve this sambar for lunch. So I have made some lovely potato fry here and also a few pieces of cucumber as a salad. We'll serve it along with some hot steaming rice. Add some ghee on top. And this lovely capsicum onion sambar. See, you have everything already in it. The curry leaves, the mustard, methi. So you just have to add it and enjoy the lovely taste. This quantity of sambar should be okay for a family of 4 people. And you can make this and store it on your countertop. It will have a shelf life of up to a month because I have added coconut in it. If you want to store it for a longer period, please store it in an airtight container and keep it in your fridge. You can easily keep it for about 3 months also. Now this sambar can also be served with all the other tiffin items like idli, vada, dosa, pongal. At that time you can adjust the consistency and make it more dilute. That is entirely your preference. So I am sure this will be a great boon for everyone, for students who are studying abroad and they want the taste of home, or if your children are working outside home, you can make this and give them to make their lives easy. If you are a young mother with small children, definitely this will be helpful for you. And also with work at home moms, with children attending online classes, then also this sambar premix is good. Very valuable boon for senior citizens too.
Or on a Sunday, lazy Sunday afternoon.
Okay, yes, definitely. If it's a Sunday afternoon lunch and you just want to relax, then and you feel lazy to cook, just take this sambar premix. Just saute whatever vegetable you have or boil. If it's pumpkin or ashgold, you might have to boil the vegetable. Add this mix and your sambar will be ready in under 10 minutes. Lovely, tasty sambar. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen. We'll meet again with another interesting recipe from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.